I recently bought and tested tires for my Lexus Rx350, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know how important it is to have reliable tires, especially in today's driving conditions. I've gone through the hassle so you can make an informed choice. Let's dive deep into the top 5 best tires that will keep your vehicle safe and your ride smooth. Product number 1. MarsFlex TPMS Sensor. When I first got my hands on the MarsFlex TPMS sensor, I was excited to see how it would enhance my driving experience. The installation was straightforward thanks to the pre-programmed feature that takes the guesswork out of the setup. I simply followed the Amazon confirmed fit guide, and within moments, my tire pressure monitoring system was operational. The sensors are compatible with a plethora of Lexus models, including the RX series, which made it a versatile choice for my vehicle. One of the standout features of these sensors is the battery life. They are designed to last up to 8 years with normal use. That's a significant investment for peace of mind, knowing that my tire pressures are being monitored accurately. With a measurement accuracy of ±2% to ±3%, I felt confident that I could trust the readings. The quality of the materials used, including acrylonitrile butadiene styrene and alloy steel, contributed to a robust and durable product that can withstand the elements. However, I did encounter some minor issues during installation. While the pre-programmed feature is a plus, I still had to use a TPMS scan tool to relearn the sensors. This added a bit of time to the installation process, but it was manageable. On the flip side, the warranty offered gives that extra layer of assurance, knowing that if anything goes wrong, there's a safety net. So why should you buy the MarsFlex TPMS sensor? If you own a Lexus Rx350 or any compatible vehicle, these sensors are a worthy investment. They ensure your safety by keeping track of your tire pressures, potentially increasing the lifespan of your tires and enhancing fuel efficiency. Plus, the ease of installation and long battery life make it a hassle-free addition to your driving experience. Product number 2. Tire Valve Stem Cap for Lexus. I stumbled upon the XIGR-LUCK tire valve stem caps while browsing for accessories for my Lexus Rx350, and I felt like I hit a home run. At first glance, these caps bring a sporty aesthetic to my tires thanks to their sleek aluminum alloy design and anodized finish. I installed them in a matter of seconds. The screw-in design made it easy for anyone, even those who are not car savvy. What really impressed me was their durability. These caps are not just about looks, they serve a functional purpose as well. With a hermetically sealed design, they keep moisture and debris out, protecting the valve stems from wear. This is crucial, especially during rainy seasons or in areas with a lot of dust and grime. I have noticed that my tire pressure remains consistent, which I attribute to these little heroes preventing air leaks. On the downside, while they are stylish and functional, they might not fit every vehicle perfectly due to their universal fit. If you have specialized valve stems, you might want to double-check compatibility. However, for my Lexus and many other models, they fit like a glove. In conclusion, the XIGR-LUCK tire valve stem caps are an excellent buy if you're looking to add a touch of style while also protecting your tires. They are affordable, functional, and easy to install. If you care about the longevity of your tire valves and want to enhance the look of your wheels, these caps are a no-brainer. Product number 3. Generic Tire Valve Stem Cap Cover. When I came across the generic tire valve stem cap cover, I was intrigued by their sleek look and robust design. Just like the XIGRALUCK caps, these are made from aluminum, which means they won't rust or fade over time. As I installed them on my Lexus Rx350, I appreciated how lightweight yet sturdy they felt in my hand. The anodized finish not only adds a stylish touch, but also helps in the long-lasting durability of the caps. These caps are designed to be hermetically sealed, which means they do a fantastic job at keeping moisture and dirt out. I recall a time when I had issues with valve stems getting clogged, and it led to tire pressure inconsistencies. Since installing these caps, I've noticed that my tire pressure remains stable, which is crucial for both safety and fuel efficiency. However, I did find that while they fit my Lexus perfectly, they might not be the best fit for all models. The universal fit can be a double-edged sword. While it works for many vehicles, it's always wise to double-check compatibility with your specific model. They also have a slightly taller profile than I expected, which may not suit everyone's aesthetic preferences. So why should you consider the generic tire valve stem cap cover? If you want a cost-effective solution to protect your tire valves while adding a sleek look to your tires, these caps are worth every penny. They combine style with functionality, ensuring your tires stay in top shape for longer. Product number 4. Tacoma Tire Valve Stem Cap Covers. I decided to try the Tacoma Tire Valve Stem Cap Covers after hearing good reviews about their durability and design. As soon as I unpacked them, I was struck by the quality of the aluminum build. They felt solid and well crafted. Installing them on my Lexus Rx350 was a breeze, thanks to their simple screw-in design. I appreciated how they added a sporty flair to my vehicle, making my tires pop with style. What sets these caps apart is their impressive hermetic seal, which keeps out moisture and dirt. I've always been cautious about tire maintenance, and these caps give me peace of mind. I remember a time when dirt got into my valve stems, leading to tire pressure issues. Since I've been using these caps, my tire pressures have been consistent, contributing to better gas mileage and safer driving conditions. On the downside, while they are marketed as universal fit, they may not cater to every vehicle type out there. It's essential to check compatibility if you drive a less common model. Also, while the design is modern and stylish, some may find them a bit too flashy for their taste. In summary, the Tacoma Tire Valve Stem Cap Covers are a fantastic addition to any Lexus RX350. They combine aesthetics with functionality, ensuring your tires not only look good, but also perform optimally. If you want an affordable way to enhance your vehicle's tires, these caps are an excellent choice. Product number 5. Tacoma Corrosion-Resistant Tire Valve Caps. The Tacoma Corrosion-Resistant Tire Valve Caps caught my eye when I was looking for reliable accessories for my Lexus RX350. I was drawn to their promise of durability and stylish design. As I placed them on my tires, I noticed how seamlessly they integrate with the overall aesthetics of my vehicle. The aluminum material feels robust, which is a good sign for longevity. One of the key features that stood out to me was the hermetic sealing capability that these caps boast. It's critical to keep tire valves free from dirt and moisture, and these caps deliver. I've had experiences where valve stems were compromised due to environmental factors, leading to unnecessary air loss and tire pressure issues. Thankfully, these caps have prevented that, giving me confidence in my driving experience. However, there's a slight concern regarding their universal fit. While they fit my Lexus perfectly, some users may find that they don't suit all types of valve stems. It's always best to double-check compatibility before making a purchase. Additionally, while I enjoy their design, some may prefer a more understated look. In conclusion, the Tacoma corrosion-resistant tire valve caps are a smart investment for anyone looking to protect their tire valves while enhancing their vehicle's look. They offer a blend of style and practicality, making them a worthy addition to your Lexus RX350. After testing these products, I can confidently say that investing in quality tires and accessories is worth every penny. Whether it's the MarsFlex TPMS sensor for safety or stylish valve caps from Tacoma, each product plays a crucial role in enhancing your driving experience. Make sure to choose wisely based on your needs and enjoy the ride.